Hello everyone, it's Sheltek and welcome back to another smart home tech video. In this video, I want to show you the all-new YEEDI Vac robot vacuum, an amazing Wi-Fi enabled 3000 PA suction value price cleaner that retails for under $200. This will be my first video of a series of videos on smart home tech that can improve your lifestyle. So let me briefly tell you about the YEEDI Vac. It is strikingly good looking, powerful, efficient, mappable robot vacuum that can be expanded as your budget or needs allow. Today I'll do a quick unboxing, setup, check out the app, go through the features, do a demonstration and show you why the YEEDI Vac is a must-have to keep your floors clean and help you automate one of the most annoying tasks of any homeowner or renter. As always, the timestamps and product links are in the description to this robot vacuum and any gear I use in my videos. Okay, so let's open up this clean, professional looking high-end packaging. And let's slide out the recyclable tray that contains everything that you need, like the instruction manual and quick start guide, power cord, the robot vacuum itself, edge brush, and docking station, and that's it. So the YEEDI Vac comes in the standard robot vacuum design, but it has a beautiful white top that really gives it an extremely clean appearance. This design will help it blend into most modern home color palettes and not attract fingerprints so easily. This awesome modern appearance really helps the YEEDI to stand out from other Roomba type vacuums. On the top above the minimal YEEDI logo is the mapping sensor. Next to that is the start, pause, wake up, auto mode, and power off button that has a nice LED multicolor backlight. Now opening up the top cover, you can find the power on off slide button, reset button, and Wi-Fi indicator. There's a handy multifunction cleaning tool, which is really nice to see. It has its own storage area right on top of the vacuum, so you don't have to hunt around your house when it's needed. This also is a spot for the dustbin that slides out with its own little handle for easy emptying. The front of the vacuum has a plastic bumper to protect your wall from accidental bumps, but later in the video I'll show you how the YEEDI Vac barely touches your walls using its innovative sensors inside the bumper. On the bottom is a standard 3-wheel configuration, one edge brush, charging contacts, anti-drop sensors, floor tracking sensors, carpet sensors, water outlet, and of course the main brush itself. Now setting up the YEEDI Vac is easy and won't take you long to do. First, set up the docking station in the out of the way and empty part of your floor. This can be on a solid floor such as tile, wood, laminate, or carpet. Make sure the power is on and charge the robot on the base. This base is where the vacuum will return automatically after cleaning cycles or when the battery gets low. The robot will also return back to the docking station by using the YEEDI app or pressing the auto button for 3 seconds. The YEEDI Vac has an innovative voice prompt system,
low battery, returning to charge,
which will clearly relay commands,
starting charge,
vacuum state, changes, and issues with completing its tasks. So you don't have to wonder what's going on with the vacuum if your phone is not handy. To get started cleaning, you're going to need to do a little tidying up first. For example, putting away objects like wires, slippers, tasseled rugs, fabric, or clothing, and arranging the furniture for optimum cleaning pathways. Now you could just press the auto button and let the vacuum go, but to enjoy all the features and to get the most out of your YEEDI Vac, you're going to need to use the app on your phone. So this is a truly Wi-Fi controlled device, so you're going to need to connect your 2.4 GHz router and download the YEEDI app through the App Store or Google Play Store. It just took a few seconds and a few steps to pair the vacuum with the app, so there wasn't a big delay to get you cleaning. The app is simple and easy to use. I love the app can notify you through your phone when it's done cleaning or has a problem. On the first page of the app, it has a detailed pic of the robot. You can rename the robot. In my case, I chose to call it Toto. See if it's online, the battery life, and if you want to start instant cleaning or sending the YEEDI back to recharge. And lastly, it gives the option if you want to get into smart cleaning mode. Speaking about the smart cleaning mode, the Robot Vac, or Toto in my case, has a ton of different options to make sure you get a thorough and clean floor. After running the YEEDI Vac a couple of times, it will map the floor and furniture of the space that you want regularly cleaned. This is especially helpful for people who keep pets in certain areas of their home or have busy areas that get dirtier more often. As you can see, after running my YEEDI Vac, it has mapped an upstairs room and hallway in my house. It also maps around obstacles like a couch and TV stand, so the next time it vacuums, it can be much more efficient at its cleaning. It also shows where its docking station is on the map. Different cleaning modes are possible through the app. You have Area, which will allow you to perform cleaning in the order or room you choose. Auto, the mode which will be most used. Just press and let the vacuum map and clean on its own. Using the visual mapping technology and floor tracking sensor, your space is mapped out to guide the YEEDI vacuuming process by using an efficient path without bumping around your walls or missing spots on the floor. And then you have Custom, which will let you clean a specific area on the floor and designate no-go zones. Say if you spilled something in a specific area or you don't want to do your whole floor. Other features of the app include some record keeping, which will show you how many square feet was cleaned, where it was cleaned, how long it took, and a daily log. You can also change the suction power from standard, max, and max plus, which really is helpful on rugs and carpets. a customizable cleaning schedule for the vac, change the voice volume, and then you can dive deeper into your cleaning preferences. Preferences like do not disturb, enabling auto boost, which will begin automatically when the vac detects carpet, auto empty if you choose to buy the separate self-empty station, and changing your cleaning sequences. Now the performance is the most important feature of any vacuum, whether robotic or not, and I think the YEEDI Vac has become a welcome surprise to my smart home cleaning needs. Coming from a dumb robotic vacuum, one that just bumped against the walls with no direction, I think the YEEDI Vac is one of the strongest vacuums with its 3000 PA suction power. It sucks up all the dirt that is in its path with no hesitations. I recently moved into a new house, so the carpets are brand new. After many cleanings using our personal vacuum and a cleaning service, I found the YEEDI Vac able to find and suck up a surprisingly rather large amount of dust and dirt in just one room and a hallway. The robot, when tested on different surfaces in my home, such as vinyl in the hallway and tile in the bathroom, it easily adjusted itself and handled the cleanup like a champ. Less, of course, an obstacle was in its way, such as shoes, towels, or other small objects. The YEEDI Vac easily goes under tables, chairs, and other hard-to-reach areas due to its slim 3-inch body. The robot has sensors that helps it avoid hitting walls, furniture, and to avoid falling downstairs. I found these sensors to work very well. Yes, there was times when the YEEDI Vac would bump the walls, but I found it more often than not coming up to the wall super close or lightly tapping it to change direction, therefore not damaging or leaving any marks on my walls. With a 90-minute runtime from a fully charged battery, the YEEDI is a reliable helper for your apartment or house. If it were to run out of juice while cleaning, which can happen on carpet, especially using max settings, the robot will return to its station, charge up, and start cleaning where it left off. The YEEDI Vac also works well with voice assistants like Google Home and Alexa. With just a short command, it can start cleaning when needed. What I found surprising for this budget robot vacuum cleaner is the ability to add on some features that only high-end vacuum cleaners would have. Having the ability to add a mopping capability and a self-empty station is really a game changer. The dustbin is easy cleanable by lifting it out, emptying, and using the included tool to scrape it of dust from the bin and filter. The detachable HEPA filter is reusable by running underwater, letting it dry 24 hours, and replacing back into the unit. Other parts such as sensors, brushes, and housing should also be maintained with regular wiping and inspection. The app also keeps track of brush maintenance and hours used. Overall, the YEEDI Robot Vac is an excellent buy, especially for under $200. I love its design, sleek look, 3000 PA of suction power, room mapping, and simple app. I've been using the YEEDI Vac for a few weeks now, and I've really enjoyed the cleaning power of this smart appliance. I even love the little tracks it leaves in my carpets, giving me peace of mind that it's cleaned when I'm away. Of course, there could be some things that could be improved, such as notification of a full dustbin, maybe bigger dustbin, maybe a little better at mapping so the cleaner doesn't over-repeat cleaning the same area. But all in all these can be improved in future updates and models. And I'm happy to have the YEEDI Vac cleaning in my home. Well, if you just made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. Check out another video to help your smart home right here. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Shell Tech.